Hello everyone. Today I'm making video on how we can download Eve free edition. Okay, in our system. So let me start. Just for that, you need to come to the Google and type Eve hyphen ng and hit enter. The very first website will come, which is www.eve-ng.net. You need to go inside, or you can directly click on downloads. Okay, now we are here. We are having a multiple options to download. Like first is the Eve for the professional, and this is the free community edition which we are going to download today. Click on this. Okay, here we have a multiple options. I'm gonna go with OVF file because I want to install it inside my VMware. Let me download any one of it. So I will take the uh, Mega Mirror, this one, second option. Okay, you need to simply click on this download button. Now it start downloading. It will take time to download. As you can see, it's saying almost half an hour it will take to download this. So meantime, what I will do, I will just pause this video, and once it downloaded, then I will continue. Okay, I can see the downloading has been done. You can see the file has been downloaded. Let me go into the folder. Okay, so this is the zip file. First we need to extract this file. I will go here and WinRAR, and I will select option extract here, so it will extract this zip file into the same folder. So let's wait. Okay, it's done. Just double click on open it. So this is the file, open virtualization. This is the file which we going to use, open virtualization format packet. Double click on it, so it automatically select the VMware workstation. But if it is not in your case, so you need to select the program. Okay, and it asking for give me the name for the machine. Let's give Eve, and click on import. Nothing, it will not ask for any additional configurations. Just import it and wait for it. It will itself means do all the setups in backend. All right, as you can see now, it's pre-configured. You can see it's taking memory, and you can change these things. You can click on edit virtual machine settings. From here, I don't want to give complete 4 sorry 8 GB. I will drag down to the 4 GB. Processor 4, it is fine. Okay, hard disk 60 GB, that is also okay. Okay, everything looks good to me. Let me click on OK. I'm going to power on the virtual machine. It is very simple to import E file. Okay, sometimes I have seen the first time users they counter with some issues. So no problem guys, if you face any issue, you just put your query in comment section. I will try my best to answer those. Okay, here it will take a little time. Okay, so be patient, it will come up. I guess it will take another 3 to 4 minutes. It's all depends on your hardware. If you are having a good RAM and good processor. Maybe it will come up a bit earlier, but in my case, I'm having 8 GB of RAM in my laptop, and it's a Core i5 processor. So okay, so now it's loading. I guess now it's almost done, and the default username is a root, and password is Eve. Let me try. Hit enter. It's asking for login name, so I'll put as a root, and password will be Eve. Hit enter. Okay, now it's asking for to type the root password. So let me type the short hostname for the system. I will keep it same, and asking for DNS domain name. If you have something, so you can put, or just click on OK. It is asking for use the DHCP or a static IP address for network adapter. I will select as DHCP and click on OK. NTP server. This is uh, for timing. Okay, but I don't have any NTP server. Click on OK. No problem. Proxy server configuration, direct connect, anonymous. You can go with the direct connection. Okay. I guess there's some problem. We counter, it's not able to find the IP address. Let me see what we can do. For that, I will click on here on bridged. Okay, I will change the settings over from here. I don't want bridge to use. Instead of bridge, I want to use the netting. And okay, for that, click on OK. Okay, you can see it now. After changing the interface, okay, now we got the IP from the DHCP pool. Okay, with the same IP, I will try to log in into a browser. Let me try. If the root password is Eve. Okay, now I'm successfully logged in. Let me try the same IP address to log into my system. Okay, so IP is 58.129. Sorry, 58.129. So this is the IP address by Eve. All right. Asking for username. It's sorry. Here we need to log in with the admin. Admin and password. You can try Eve, I guess. Okay, yeah, that's the password. Let me save it. Now we have successfully installed Eve in our system. Let me check if we are able to do something, if it is working or not. Let me create on new lab. Name I can give test. And further things I can skip and click on save. Okay, now it's open the new lab for me. Let me try if I can open or access any devices or not here. Let me click on node. There is thing because right now I don't have any images. Okay, but there is some default images, I guess, that is virtual PC. This I can try if it is working. Everything keep same. Click on OK. Let's see if I'm able to launch it or not. Okay, let's start it. Okay, let me open it. It will prompt this open SSH telnet. Yeah. So guys, you can see I'm able to run Eve successfully. So IP only. Okay. Here you can see it is not configured yet. 192.168.1.1, for example, 255.255.255.0. I guess this is and default gateway I can also provide. 192.168.1 dot, suppose 10 is my default gateway. Hit enter. Looking for duplicate address. Okay, no problem. Okay, it is now saved. I and I can verify it. Show IP only. Okay, you can see it has configured my interface as a 192.168.1.1 and default gateway as 1.10.